Hi, it's day 13 of building the coffee discovery app in public. It's Dandy again for a quick kwento. Okay lang. This week siguro naka 8 coffee shop visits ako. Yan, if nakikita nyo siya sa app. Ginornal ko siya. So it has been very tiring at magastos sa totoo lang. But this time, it's not just about buying coffee, but mainly for testing, observation, and research. That's actually just the goal. Pero share ko lang, yesterday was the most unexpected and nerve-wracking visit. Nerve-wracking. Kasi kwento lang, nag-pottery si na Nicole and yung friends niya dun sa pottery class venue. Andun yung Intuit, so magkatabi lang. So sabi ko, sige, doon na lang ako tatambay, plan ko na lang sana mag-work, magkape. But, bumungad sa amin si Miss Elaine, yung owner. So, nag-order ako and konting chika-chika, syempre. And then, she asked me about sa app. Di ako prepared, sa totoo lang, kasi nga, ayun. And then, from that question, it became the most meaningful visit sa lahat ng coffee visit ko this week. Kasi to be honest, it's my first time kind of explaining and pitching the app to a cafe owner. Hindi lang yung simpleng, ito siya, but the full potential and yung full features. So she asked me anong pinagkaiba niya with other platform, what's in it for a cafe owners like her, yung visions, and yung progress. What's amazing is that we're actually sharing the same pain points. The actual problem. She affirmed me din na okay yung app as a cafe owner. It actually ended okay naman, a good discussion, and most importantly, a good feedback. So, thank you, Miss Elaine, for that conversation. Yeah. So, after that, nakauwi na and all, that's when the question hit me. What if? What if this actually could work? What if it could actually solve legit problems? What if small cafe could compete with bigger chains in discovery? What if I don't have to bring 10 loyalty cards on my pocket lagi? What if this app could make an impact to our coffee culture? So, I was again affirmed, motivated, and actually eager to make this happen. And yung takot na baka di mag-work, na palitan ng, sana mag-work talaga to. And yeah, I'm excited and full of hope. And last na lang, I just want to share again and appreciate those who like, comment, and share sina Sir Ariel, si Dad, and marami pang iba. Sobrang appreciate ko talaga yun. May message ko kayo, kukomentan ko kayo. And so yun lang, na-share ko lang talaga yung naging experience ko this whole week and yung yesterday. And very affirming talaga siya. So, yeah, I'm excited for this app. And hope you are too. Thank you so much for watching and listening. Just keep on supporting me in this journey. Sobrang salamat. And yeah, sobrang lapit na neto, guys. So, chill na lang kayo and kami nang bahala. So, again, see you sa next days. Bye.